So we are staying right here at Motel 6, and Hollywood Boulevard is right there, just 2-minute walk. So we are as downtown Hollywood as you can be. I mean, we came out last night and we walk onto the strip, just 2 minutes, you're out on the strip, in the middle of all the action. So we're going to do a little bit exploring around LA. Well, I like here because since this is so centrally located, it's a perfect place as our home base for all our adventures. The only thing, my pickup is too high and I couldn't park there. I came to this parking lot, but they want $60 a night. I'm not paying that, so we went to the other one, $30 a night. Hello.
Hola.
Hola.
¿Qué tal?
Tengo una camioneta. Estoy quedando aquí en Motel 6.
¿De cuáles camionetas es?
Es un 350.
Oh, es grande.
Sí, es grande. Camioneta normal, pero un poco más grande.
Sí.
¿Cuánto puede estacionar aquí al día? Vamos a necesitar 3 días.
Son $60.
¿Por los 3 días?
No, por cada día.
$60 por un día. Y allá me cobran 20.
Ok. Yo sé que eso cobran.
$60, $60 US.
Aquí es $60. En el hotel te cobran 20, que yo no sé por qué, porque tú estás pagando una habitación. Más sin embargo les cobran.
Siempre cobran.
Y no puedes entrar con esa camioneta ahí.
No.
Porque es bien incómodo.
Entra, sí entra.
Sí, pero
Tight squeeze.
Todos los que vienen ahí se quedan acá. Y aquí vale eso porque, un ejemplo, no es caro. Si tú te quedas en la calle, tú pagas $3 por hora. Pero no puedes estacionarte más de 2 horas. Si lo dejas son $68 Digamos que te dejaran las 24 horas, estar pagando 3. ¿Cuánto sería? $72. ¿A dónde
y aquí a la vuelta, pero no, hay un estacionamiento con rejas y todo cerrado. $19 el día, pero está lleno.
Sí,
está lleno.
¿Sabes por qué? Ellos son de la ciudad.
No, es privado. Ese es privado, ¿no?
Yo trabajé antes aquí, está pegado a este. Si tú ves aquí abajo dice MPI. Se llama Mother Parking Inc.
Ok, pues mejor quedaría por 20.
Sí, está.
Iba a tener aquí por 15 o 16, iba a quedar aquí.
Oh, no.
60 al día, wow.
Sí.
Está casi más caro que mi cuarto de hotel.
No, ahí pagan, según lo que yo tengo entendido, 120, 140.
$100 la noche.
Oh, ya bajó.
$100.
Eso es lo que cobran.
Y con el estacionamiento 120. All right, bueno.
Mira, aquí vale 20.
Oh, ahí ya lo tienes, 20.
Un par de horitas.
Ok.
Está bien, hermano. Está bien.
There you had it, guys. Parking in Los Angeles, here in Hollywood, California. Can you believe it? He is charging $60 per day. If you park by the hour, $20 per hour. I think the guy's a little stupid in the head. You know, that's way too much. Definitely not worth it. So this here, Hollywood Boulevard. Gonna check it out. I'm gonna head to the other parking lot and show it to you. Here I am, across the Hollywood Boulevard. It's pretty quiet because it's only about 10 in the morning. So not too much going on yet. Let me show you what the parking looks like where we are staying. So if you guys are looking for parking, you turn here on Schrader Boulevard and turn down. Just look for Hustler Hollywood on the corner. You can't go that way, so when you're driving, you're gonna have to go this way to Schrader, and you get to the public parking lot. It's much cheaper. It's only $30 US a night, and it is open air, and hopefully my pickup is still there. It might be gone, maybe some, or maybe hopefully it's not sitting on blocks, thing like that. That's always a worry. Okay, I can see it, and that is pretty good. Happy about that. This is it here. Public parking. Check it out on carpark.com. Let me get the paper out of the pickup, and then I go pay for 3 more nights at this location. So there's a lot of cars here because it's a lot more reasonable, the price. The other place charging $60 a day. The guy's just, he's a little too loot, way too expensive. Pickup is here, in good shape. Glad to see that. Let me get my papers out. There you can see it, $30 right there, overnight. So I'm gonna get 3 more nights at this location. Hola. Hi. Hey. I have the black pickup. I want to pay for 3 more nights.
How many nights?
3 more.
3 more?
Yeah, this is last night's.
This last night, yeah.
Yeah.
Each night $30.
$30, yeah. I want 3 more nights.
3 is 90, okay?
Yeah, $90.
Keep this one.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. Parking lot, Schrader Boulevard, 1639. Don't forget.
Information here. You paid $90.
Yeah.
Today 23. Let's stay 3 nights. 3 nights till noon. Last day noon.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Put on the dashboard, please. This side up.
Yeah. All right. This one I don't need anymore. Just save it.
Keep it for
Save
you.
it for
Keep
records.
it for you.
Yeah.
For record. Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Bye. There you have it. 3 nights, $90. Not $60 a night at the other place. I don't know what the deal is there. I don't know if he owns a lot or whoever owns a lot is greedy, but no, not very good. Not very good at all. So I'll go leave this on the dashboard and get some stuff out. I can't even get in on this side because this guy parked so close to me. When I come back next time, I'm gonna park so nobody can park thing. I'm gonna park like over the line, take up 2 spaces because this is not good. I can't get in, have to come in from the passenger side. There you have it, guys. So if you come to Hollywood, you're gonna stay in Hollywood, park your car if your car is oversized, park here at the Schrader parking lot on Schrader Street. 30 bucks a night, and you could, if you're staying at the Motel 6, they do have parking for 20 bucks a night, but only if you have a small enough vehicle, like a regular car. Anything too big, you're not gonna make it. And avoid this parking lot at all costs. That's why it's always empty, because they want 60 bucks a night. Totally ridiculous. So if you didn't know, now you know, guys, how to park in Hollywood. I like staying here in Hollywood because right in the middle. Use it as my hub. At night, you don't feel like going anywhere, walk onto Hollywood Boulevard and enjoy life. So that's parking in Hollywood 101. We're staying at the Motel 6 right here. So that's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Come to Hollywood, you'll love it. Great place. Bye bye.